Let's get into it for real. Today on Plastic Surgery Simplified, we're talking about the one procedure that always gets people whispering, Googling, or boldly booking: butt enhancement. Let's talk about Nyash the right way. When you talk about butt enhancement, we are referring to several different techniques designed to shape, lift, and add volume to the buttocks, all while enhancing your body proportions overall. The most common and safest approach today is the Brazilian butt lift, or BBL as you commonly refer to it, which involves using your own fat harvested through liposuction to shape and enhance your backside. It's not about just making the butt bigger. It's about creating harmony, enhancing the curves, and narrowing the waist to improve the entire silhouette appearance of an individual. The process starts with liposuction, typically from the waist, abdomen, flanks, or thighs. That fat is then purified and precisely injected into strategic areas of the buttock and hips to achieve a natural, fuller look. The perfect combination. One of our most requested combinations is normally lipo360 with BBL, where lipo360 involves circumferential liposuction, where you sculpt the waist, the lower back, abdomen, and flanks, and essentially reshaping the midsection from all angles. When you combine that with fat transfer to the buttocks, you not only enhance the backside, but also define the waistline, giving the hourglass shape that so many of you desire. You'll notice that the most striking transformation don't come from adding volume alone. They come from strategic body contouring. That's the art of plastic surgery. So let's walk through what a typical BBL procedure looks like. First, you'll have a pre-operative consultation where we assess your goals, your body type, and your medical fitness. On the day of surgery, we begin with liposuction using small and carefully placed incisions. The fat is processed in a sterile environment, and then we inject it into the buttocks and the hips using special cannulas layer by layer to achieve a smooth, long-lasting result. We aim for proportion, not exaggeration, keeping your safety, functionality at the center of every step of the BBL procedure. Recovery is a key part of your transformation. Most clients go home the day after and begin light movement within 24 hours. For about 4 weeks, you'll avoid sitting directly on your buttocks using special BBL pillows. Compression garments are worn for about 6 weeks to minimize the swelling and support the healing process. You'll start to see your results in the first month, but the final shape settles around the 3rd to 6th month mark as the swelling goes down and the transferred fat stabilizes. Avoid smoking and alcohol use and ensure that you're on a high-protein diet for fat survival. Who is a good candidate for BBL? A good candidate for butt enhancement is someone who's generally in good health with realistic expectation and enough fat in the donor areas to achieve the desired results. It's not a weight loss procedure. It's about body contouring. If you're very lean, we may explore alternative options or recommend gaining a bit of weight under supervision. Everybody is different, and so is every transformation. That's why the consultation is an important piece to this. We tailor each procedure to fit and suit your needs. Safety is always our top priority, and here at Refine, we follow the most up-to-date protocols for fat grafting, anesthesia, and post-op care. Our entire team is trained not just in technical excellence, but in patient-centered care, because this journey is personal. If you're considering a BBL or lipo360 or any form of body contouring, I encourage you to start with a consultation. Ask questions, be informed. Let's map out the plan that works for your body and your lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might be thinking about starting their body transformation journey. Your best self is possible, and it starts with the right information and the right team. See you in the next episode. Come as you are, live as you wish.